What's up? We're in an Avalanche training class. There's Silas. What's good? Daniel. Some of the guys. We are at Little Odyssey, and we're about to start our day one training. You can see the forecast is pretty snowy.
Is your gloves off? Could you help me?
Sure.
Exposing myself to any hazard if I were to make my best guess at slope angle, which is really hard to do when it's totally flat light like this, but this can't be much more than like 15-20 degrees. So the first thing I'm going to do, knowing I'm feeling for a wind slab, I can just physically like dig into the snow. So I can just bend over like I'm tying my shoe, dig a hole. Oh man, it gets hard fast. It's scoured here. Poked around a little better. But yeah, after so next loading step, once I cut the back, put my shovel on top, I'll give it 10 taps from the wrist, just using the weight of my wrist. Tap it 10 times. If no failures there, I'll move on to the moderate section, and that's
Hey.
Alright, can you get a picture of me?
Yeah.
Like, how can you make the terrain work for you rather than making it harder for yourself? So yeah, the pipeline is just up here beyond the little brush line, and that will give you a flat up. And then at some point we're going to have to hang a left and, like you said, get up onto the ridge. But we can make that decision once we get past the transmission line. We have a good base. There's nothing questionable except for maybe we want to look at this, see if that does anything. Even though it's going from forefinger to one finger, maybe there's an interface like we saw yesterday. And then this thing, we want to make sure that all of this new star snow is glued onto that crust. Sometimes what you can get is if a crust is in a snowpack for quite a while, like this is buried now, as vapor starts to move through this new storm snow, either coming from the heat from the ground and being pushed up, or if we get warm temperatures, vapor pressure increases and pushes down, you might get facets forming above and below this crust.
Oh, weird.
Yep. And so that's why we always investigate old crusts. We try to see if this snow is still glued to it.
that mean? Can we ski it?
Yeah.